If you've ever wondered who those two children are in the background, those are portraits of me and my sister. Feel free to guess which one of them is mine. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Akshat and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a short one. I just felt like I needed to talk about the importance of making your own strategy for anything, be it JEE, NEET, boards, whatever. By the way, मेरे 2021 वाले लोगों boards cancel कैसा लग रहा है? What do you think? Comment down below. Coming back to this video. Hello, greetings, namaste. Well, I'm Akshat, the editor from the future. Anyway, you might be wondering why I'm in my Razai. Why do I have my earphone on? Well, you might be wondering why I'm in my Razai. It's because it is too cold. I have my AC on and it is freezing out here. Now you might be asking, why do I have my AC on if it's so cold? Well, if I don't have my AC on, it'll be too hot. This is the Goldilocks zone, so let me be. Anyway, I had to interrupt this video because I wanted to make an announcement that as of the time I'm editing this video right now, we have around like 900 subscribers, which is like, and we are really close to 1000 subscribers, which is insane. So I just wanted to ask if you guys have any fun things to do which you have in mind that I can do for 1000 subscribers, like anything fun, not necessarily JEE related, but anything that can be fun and entertaining and you would like to see. It could be JEE related, it could not be. Just comment your ideas down below and I'll choose the most fun one and I'll do that to celebrate 1000 subs. Yeah, okay, that was all. Enjoy the video, sub to my channel, and I'll see you later. This is something I think will supplement the kind of strategy / guide video series that I've been making for JEE, and it was a super helpful tip for me personally, and so I just wanted to put it out here just in case it might help you too. Anyway, I mentioned it in the last video as well, but there are a lot of JEE strategy videos on YouTube, including mine, and a lot of them have been made by much more qualified teachers and mentors, and even people who have achieved much more than I have in the realm of JEE. So the question I want to answer is that why should you follow my strategy or anybody else's strategy for that matter? I think you shouldn't. Well, not entirely. And that is the point of this video. The point that I want to make is that everybody is unique, right? Which means everybody has different tastes in anime. So is it fair to assume that just picking up somebody's strategy and making it your own will work perfectly? You must have heard the quote, good artists steal. No, good artists copy, great artists steal, somewhere, right? I think it was a quote by the Picasso guy or something. Anyway, that is somewhat of the thing I want to convey here. You should steal people's strategy, but not just from one person. You should steal different parts of different strategies from different people and mix and match it to make it your own. You might question, which parts of a strategy should I steal? Well, it depends. You should steal the parts of a strategy that suit your style of learning, or the parts that are fun and interesting and you want to check them out, or just simply parts of a strategy that you think will bring you better results. Like, I'm going to be honest, like my own strategy is inspired by a lot of people I follow and idealize. Like, I started using Notion because Ali Abdaal was using it. I started using Anki because I saw Karma Medic use it. I started studying using the Pomodoro technique because I saw Sanko Kun make a video about that. I started watching videos at 2x because my girlfriend said it was a good idea. And I won't say that the entirety of my strategy is just me stealing from other people. No, I had my own inputs as well. I added my own flair with my use of backlog weekends and the way I was planning my months, weeks and days. As you can see, my strategy is a mix of a lot of different techniques and strategies that I saw online. You might be wondering why I decided to borrow and just mix and mush all of these strategies together instead of following one simple strategy? Well, I thought by mixing these strategies together and making my own strategy out of it, I thought it would suit me better as a person and a student, and it would cater to my study style a lot more than just taking some pre-made strategy from the internet that I found. So I just wanted to tell you that instead of just following a strategy that's given out on YouTube, you should incorporate stuff from that strategy into your own strategy and work to make your own strategy, because I promise you, just like making your own notes helps you learn better, making your own strategy will help you achieve bigger and better results. Of course, if you just wanted to follow a strategy, that's all cool too, as long as it suits you. I just wanted to make this video to tell you about this thing that helped me a lot too, that you can mash together a lot of different strategies to make them cater to you as a student, and which was personally one of the most helpful tips that I have ever seen. Anyway, those were my 2 cents for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like below and subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.